Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to create subfolders in IONOS Webmail. First thing I want you to do is make sure you're logged in to IONOS Webmail dashboard, and then in the main navigation bar right here I want you to click on the email icon. Okay, so you can see all of these options. Now here from the left hand menu, I want you to go ahead and click on these three horizontal dots next to inbox. Okay, and then I want you to click on add a new folder. So now we are going to just set a name for this new subfolder that we're going to have. So I'll just name this subfolder 1. Okay, and then click on add. And you'll see right here that this subfolder will actually be created. As you can see, this is a subfolder, and that is how to create subfolders in IONOS Webmail.